What did cause that song?
I don't know so when I get this video.
Don't try us. But what did make you do that song?
I did feel now. Honestly.
What did make you do that
Anyway,
song?
way back, I don't know what happened. I see the hot that time now, you know, just drop one or two. I don't even remember, say one thing, say, I don't know what happened that time, but I know say now, you know, when you go just mature, you go look some kind of things, you go just laugh. Now I see the hot that time.
Okay. All right. So,
but when like things like this, you see as we watch them now, we they laugh. No be. That's
but
how
that time, I see the whole your blood
entertainment is dead without competition. You see as entertainment be like say he's slow now. You see what happen for Eddies. I don't want
my brother.
Like, say, but you see as they come match. No.
Back to street takeover.
That's it.
Street takeover.
See my point. My point be say.
But back to back
as it don't happen. You see as they come back again. Come settle everything. Everything ends.
My brother, because they know why they settle.
And then now you don't know your true enemies.
Enemies. Now you know the funny thing. The people when you say stand for the back of Olamide, don't know them now. You not go follow them talk. Then the people who stand for the back of Don Jazzy, Olamide don't know them now. You not go follow them talk because them two don't settle now.
Meanwhile, they go enter studio now. Come do a hiss. Yes.
Another hiss.
Yes.
Anyway, our phone numbers go there on top of TV. Make una begin call us to talk to Kelly Handsome. We're there for inside studio. Now, Kelly, make I ask you now. Forget say, okay, things don't happen. You and MI, they close right now. If you get to do collab, if you do collab with the bunch and the rest of these people will be saying for this cartoon video.
Or even Pt.3.
If I do collab, no matter get the question.
If you go do collab, you fit do collab with people who for Mavins, or
I fit do collab with anybody now.
Okay, but who dey your mind now if you want to do collab?
I don't get anybody with in my mind. Everybody way people, my market or people will like Kelly Handsome, they expect me to do collab. Like MI, people want to see me and MI. If me and MI come together and say meet us at a Culinary, everywhere I go feel they want to know what they want. If we do song, they want to. So it's business. Anybody, me and the band will say, we can't say, not business.
Yeah, what if you go like mobile something for school?
There's no permanent enemy and friend in this business.
Mobile app.
So, and so it be me. I feel do song with anybody. I don't get problem with anybody.
You feel even do song with Ghost?
No, Ghost.
I know good.
If you pay for studio session.
From Lagos here, good evening. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Nedu.
My brother, how is you?
I'm fine, no.
Talk to us, we dey hear you.
Chris Cross.
This your cap, wow.
Which one?
My own, I be Kelly Handsome own.
What you do in cap?
You show you na Yoruba man.
Me?
Nedu.
He's a Nigerian now.
I'm in Nigeria.
No. You never tell him where
Yoruba man.
No, man, tell you where you get the car from. Man, tell him.
Tell him.
Okay, you know, so that those days for school, now they do the suya. And they do like this thing. If you want to, no they laugh. Now career, no be na short career, but now suya they do that time. So in the like to wear this cap.
You know whether that suya making don't help him. You know how many property if it get for this town.
Now make it graduate now. Say anything where they attack girls, now they do suya. But boys know they see the meat for boys hostel. But there's no problem. So this cap. Now,
hey, Kelly Handsome for your mind now. Yeah, no begin now. Chris.
Kelly Handsome.
They laugh. My brother.
My brother, now wow, you just hide there. We dey see you, not be small thing.
I dey feel now to know. This time around, I go feel me tire. Now I go say no, stop it.
I beg. We don't miss you well.
I don't miss na die. No be say I miss na die.
Not be small thing, my brother.
Yes, sir.
Chris, you don't chop night food?
You like saying don't chop.
Blessing from Lagos.
Hello.
How is you?
I dey fine, no.
My sister, where you dey?
Bros, I dey call you from Ikorodu. Now, Blessing, your girl from Ikorodu.
My girl, I know get girl for Ikorodu.
You get, I know they fall for me.
You see wetin we dey talk?
I don't know any girl for Ikorodu.
No, she talk with confidence. Nothing deny.
Yeah.
No, no
Bros, Kelly Handsome, good evening. No, I dey greet.
Maria, I dey greet you too. I greet you. How you doing now?
I don't miss you. I don't miss your videos, your music.
I don't miss you, Taya.
Come and say hug.
Nah, I dey collect the hug.
Kelly Handsome, your guy too, Abi.
Now so.
Oh, you see
him? Na my people, na V.
Na people.
You never been IzyBeatz though.
Where do you talk?
You never greet IzyBeatz.
IzyBeatz, I dey feel you.
Ah! They feel you.
I feel on this.
I dey feel you too.
Bless it, my sister. You will not cover somebody. Good night before you took somebody in trouble. I don't know you.
Your girlfriend will kill you.
From Lagos, good evening. Tony,
Hello, good evening.
my brother, how is you?
Come on, this is
Fine.
like IG
Nedu,
voice.
how is you?
Fine, thank you.
So first, we no get money, no fit call this Wazobia FM. I be
What?
Wazobia TV.
What
Why?
happened?
Since morning, they transfer my call. I don't really finish my card.
My brother, not there for work. Oh.
Kelly Hanson, good evening.
Good evening, no.
Longest time.
Now me they call interview and I laugh. I laugh.
We still have, we no hear from you for long.
No. Now make I don't come now. Me accept side fuck up. So now.
Okay. Thank God. May you give us
No,
the
it's
latest
back
song to hear
with a
this
banger.
year.
Say bang with the knockout.
Yes.
They do.
Eh?
Why you not they give news for TV now? Make I dey see your face like this.
Man, why don't they give news for TV? No.
Okay, those cat and dog.
Like, no. Oh, please.
So if you put down your jara, make I dey see the way you do your face.
Now, the Jedi would they do so every day, now.
Thank you.
You don't chop. Hello?
Hello?
You don't chop night food.
No, I want chop am.
Go chop. What do you want
You dey
chop?
hungry, make I keep for you.
What do you want chop?
Na only beans.
Only. Why you add only?
Why you say only?
Beans and plantain or beans and gari.
Nah, no plantain.
Beans and yam.
Jude, calling from Eket. Jude,
Eh?
how is you?
I'm fine. And you too?
Give up for you too.
And your sister?
Yes, no, nigga.
You know, sister. Do we not like?
Your sister close to you.
Yeah, my sister, they say, how are you?
I'm
My
fine.
sister is fine.
Your sister close.
My
to
sister close to me. Are you okay?
Yes,
She's
sir.
okay.
She dey smile. She's smiling.
What of Kelly Hanson close to me?
Yes, Kelly Hanson. I'm seeing Kelly Hanson.
My brother greet you.
Kelly Hanson, Happy New Year.
Same to you, man.
Man, it's been a long time.
It's been a long
It's been a long
time.
time.
It's been a long time. You know, I love your voice. If I normally hear your songs, I love your voice.
Thank you
The
very
way
much, my brother.
the way
Don't
you
love her
demonstrate.
too much. Yes.
So, no nonsense.
God
Please
did.
start to give guys what we need 2016.
Long thing don't they now?
No problem. No
Then
problem.
watch out for his next line of business coming to you soon.
Bye. Mobile app. Now,
Yes.
Kelly, what will be your plan for 2016?
2016. I won't drop album. I don't think. Man.
Album! Hey!
That album.
Security.
Well, I know why they run. Because Kelly Hanson, not be just normal artist where you know.
Yes.
Kelly Hanson, a person where we know with hits. As in any song. Okay, see Olowo, that Baba Olowo, who go see play the video before I come for that studio because
Yes.
I love that song. Don't try me.
Yes.
So therefore, I didn't want how the album go be.
That is it.
Now it make me run like that. That is a run of Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
To the Lord.
2016.
2016.
Da.
Yeah.
Head will roll
Oh.
with new song and album coming out.
Oh, come.
Coming out of the cave.
Came, present part, part.
Yes, that thing. Yes.
That one.
Coming out of the cave, you know, say he don't secluded himself for that cave. That cave where Ruth and Naomi enter, go hide in the Bible. That cave, Nine Kelly Handsome enter. So when you enter that caves, when you came out, Mabasi, your life can never be the same. So it's coming out of that caves. I be inspired this album where Kelly Handsome, aka Handsome Kelly, want to drop.
AKA HK.
Yes,
AKA KM.
that's it. Handsome Kelly.
Anyway, Moku watch. I beg for my own personal selfishness. Moku watch that Olowo video small.
No be
Not
only
you.
Now everybody.
I love that. Moku watch them. When
Yes.
they come back, enjoy it.
Then we go play and come out.
Yeah,
for
not
studio.
the other. Enjoy it.
Yes.
Talent.
Kelly Handsome.
Yes, aka Handsome Kelly. Yes.
Yes.
AKA Handsome Kelly.
Yes.
AKA HK.
Yes.
In fact, I expect to see remix
AKA
of this
I
song,
say
Kelly
you.
Handsome. Promise the whole Lagos say you go do remix.
No, we go do them now.
Promise the whole world. Kevin and Lagos. Tell them say you go do
You
remix.
don't start word now. You know, say Buhari they watch this thing. I guess you sir.
But this is one follow you. No, what is one follow you on social media? Is it your handles?
And okay.
Instagram, Facebook,
Yes. Twister.
Twitter. If I need
Any all of them are the same thing.
Snapchat.
Kelly Handsome. KELLYHANSOME. Dino Didi, I don't mean fine pass.
Dear Norokwa, handsome. Yeah, handsome.
Why you give yourself handsome?
Not be me give myself.
No.
I don't even know how to.
But put in your original name.
You don't even know anything. You don't know. You don't.
Name.
All your name, full name,
Which
as
one?
appear in your
From your
passport.
mama?
Yes.
Okay, Oji, Kelechi, Obina, Michael,
Michael.
George.
How many? No, the whole community name.
No, I don't. I might tell you now. I might tell you.
Ngwa.
Hans. So from the Hans, my dad, my papa, and Mr. Hans.
Okay.
Now so the OME take enter.
Where your papa come from?
I'm from Wazobia now.
Why you can't call him Mr. Hans?
Hans.
He work with white men now in London.
Oh, they can't change his name to Mr.
Mr.
Hans.
Hans, yeah. And in business now, in my hands. Use a get hands. So
Okay.
now from there everything they go.
Oh. Collect your hands.
Oh, Hands.
You know, and you know, say, you
like
get some
Kelly
kind.
Hans first from Madonna, remember?
Kelly Hans that time for school.
Before the thing got OME can enter.
Or is it Kelly Handsome?
The hair.
Oh, Kelly handsome.
So when
handsome.
something sweet, now when something blows, say it's Hans.
It's hands.
No, that thing
You know,
is
say
hands.
that time you get some girls to say, oh, it's hands.
It's Hans. You see that back-to-back song that was a hit? No,
Yes,
it's Hans.
it's Hans.
It's Hans. Anyway, double toilet to Kelly Handsome, the one and
Come on,
only,
for
for
studio.
coming into the studio. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes.
One
Almost
man.
talent.
In fact,
Music.
Kelly Handsome is wafa.
See talent.
How? Jehovah, Mary, my better.
Just listening to this Kelly handsome Babalawo is really nice.
Oh.
Say Vincent.
Anyway, to follow everybody on top Twitter and Instagram.
Yes.
And on them to Facebook.
Yes.
Until tomorrow, I forget. Play a level for me.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.